For our clients, we want the pinnacle of innovation. Who else to turn to but AKE, who can deliver the very best in cutting and milling technology. The quality of the tool is critical in the productivity of the machine. It's important to optimise the cost-benefit ratio. With AKE Cutting 2.0 technology, our clients are able to achieve maximum performance. AKE's commitment to high quality is reflected in their quick responses to our customers' requirements. We also like the flexibility and expertise AKE have at dealing with our clients' requests. Specialised AKE technicians design and build tools to meet and exceed our clients' requests. It is exactly this commitment that makes AKE the perfect partner for us and our clients.